Hello, and welcome to our series of CS Department in-house seminar for teachers. We first planned to have it live, but since most of us are busy with work and with the onset of the pandemic, I decided to have it recorded instead. I hope this seminar would be of help to everyone. So, we are going to talk about Google Extension. I know most of you have used it during the months we were online teaching. Today I'm going to give you my 2 cents. I will be discussing two of the most handy Google extension that we teachers could use in our classes, not only online. So, what's the use of Google extension? These are apps or small software that are available in Chrome Web Store that you can download in addition to what Google Suite or G Suite is offering us. So how was I able to come here on Chrome Web Store from my desktop? So I click on Google Chrome and type here Chrome Web Store. Then it will give me the option of the website. Click on it. And there you go. From this window in this box, it says here search the store. So this is where you're going to type the Google extension that you would like to add in your Google Chrome. The first Google extension that I would be recommending, the name is painttoolmarker for Chrome. So I'm going to type here in this box the name painttoolmarker for Chrome, enter, and then this is the one that I'm referring to, the application that I'm referring to. Click add to Chrome, and then you would end up with a window that says read and change all your data, blah blah blah. Just click add extension, and once you have clicked add extension, there is a window that would come here asking for turn on sync to sync your account with this application. I would just ignore that and click the X. And when I click on my extension here, Paint Tool Marker for Chrome is already there. You could see Paint Tool Marker for Chrome, it's already there. So what is the use of Paint Tool Marker for Chrome? You could simply write over the web page if you are explaining a particular web page and you would like to emphasize on some words to the children. So how do we use it? So we click on the extension here and click on Paint Tool Marker, and this is the toolbar for the Paint Tool Marker. I'll make it closer. Okay, so here we have the following options that we could use. We can either use rectangular draw, a square, a ellipse, or a polygon, and we have options of even writing text, a line, or whatsoever. So here I will demonstrate of emphasizing a particular, let us say, a word in a website that you are discussing with the class. So here I'll be using this one. I click on it, and then I'd like to set color to, let us say, to black here. Just click on that, and then transparency, just maintain it like that. And if I don't like this to be seen by the children, I simply click on this eye thing over here, there, and I would demonstrate to you. So for example, I would like to emphasize on Lazada. I would simply drag my mouse, and there you go. So you could see that I have boxed Lazada, and it will be easier for the children to see it. So I could also box other words if I have it there. Okay. And if, for example, I'd like to write text as well, if I'd like to add text on the website, so I go back to the paint tool, Okay, I can click on the text box and add here, let us say, and then type, let us say, important, oops, important word. Okay, so this would be I feel that this particular extension will be very helpful for most of us teachers. And if I would like to erase all of this, or maybe some of the boxes that I've created, I just click on this eraser box and simply rub the ones that I want it to be removed, or even the text. Okay, even though I rub Lazada, it will still be there. So basically the one that I drew are the one being rubbed. And if I want to erase everything, I simply go here, erase all. And if I want to take a screenshot, this is the screenshot, click screenshot. Okay, so Chrome extension would show me here, and I have the option over here to download, print, copy to clipboard, or crop. I go back here. And finally, if I want to quit, I simply click this icon over here to quit. Okay. The next Google extension that I would recommend is what we call Screencastify. Screencastify, same procedure of downloading it to our Chrome, is to type the name Screencastify here in this box. And then this is the one that I am referring to. This is the application that I'm referring to. So basically, what is Screencastify? It's actually a very easy to use screen video recorder. However, since we are using the free version, we are only limited to 5 minutes. If you're going to pay for it, I don't know how much, it will give you the privilege to go beyond 5 minutes. So that's about it. On behalf of the CS department, thank you for being with me today. Have a nice day, and I hope what I've shared today would be of help to you.